What's up, guys? Thank you for checking out actionfigureinks.com's review of, actually unboxing of, the Marvel Collector Core Deadpool series. We'll check it out here. I haven't seen it, I haven't opened it. Here's your box. Got a big Marvel on the side. Nothing in the back. Same thing on the other side, Marvel Collector Core and Collector Core Deadpool. And nothing on the bottom because that's my address there, but let's open it up, check it out. Oh! Check out the inside there. You can see it's got some comic art, Deadpool comic art there. Oops. Got a Collector Corpse patch. And you get a, let's take the pin out there, make it easy. Collector Core pin, so you can see it. Let's see, let's open it up. And first thing I see is Deadpool shirt, Funko Pop Deadpool shirt. Let's open it up. It's pretty sweet. Pretty good. Let's see what else we got in here. Have a Mopies plush Deadpool. I know you guys want to get to the nitty gritty here, but we'll check this out too. You got a Dorbs Deadpool. He's got the hat on right there, a little cowboy style. Exclusive Marvel Collector Corp model. So you got a pirate hat and a little chef one. There's a little back view. And there he is on the side. Deadpool cowboy. Got a little horse with him too. I don't know if you can see that, but let's see, last but not least, and you get a, let's see, Deadpool 123 Marvel Collector Core exclusive bobble pop vinyl. It's a Deadpool leaping model. It's got a little stand and everything. Pretty sweet. Same thing like his other box, but you know, everything on there except now you got the leaping one. Pretty damn. So here's everything we got here. We get it. You got the shirt, you got the Dorbs, you got the little plush Collector Core patch, Collector Core pin, and the exclusive Deadpool leaping with the t-shirt. Pretty good box. This is my first box, so can't go wrong. Thank you for checking out actionfigureinks.com's unboxing of the Deadpool February Marvel Core box. Take care. Have a great day. Bye.